Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Anthology is hiring for customer service advisor. So basically, the position responsibility is you're striving for a one-call resolution with the customer's issue by communicating appropriate options in timely and professional manner, demonstrating empathy, patience, flexibility during phone calls, etc., guys. And this is what's needed. They do not provide equipment, obviously, because they're telling you exactly what they are required of you in order to start this particular position. And they are looking for a high school diploma. Please have that or equivalent required. Must be 18 years old or over. Please be that. And also, they are asking for some level of college completed. This position, if you're okay with it, does pay $12 an hour. We use national and industry specific survey data to assist